Okay. Hello, everyone. Let's start our workshop today. My name is Dimiter Ialnazov, and I'm a professor at the Graduate School of Advanced Integrated Studies in Human Survivability at Kyoto University. And today's workshop is titled Local Approaches to Sustainability Management, Youth Partnerships and Urban Sustainability. It is organized by the Sustainable Economy Research Group at our school, which we also call GSAIS. So let me, before I give the floor to our speaker, let me briefly introduce her. Dr. Amelia Clarke, professor at the School of Environment, Enterprise and Development at the University of Waterloo, Canada. She has been working on environment and sustainability issues since 1989. She was the president of Sierra Club Canada from 2003 to 2006. She was also the first director of the Master of Environment and Business program from 2009 to 2018, and Associate Dean Research for the Faculty of Environment, 2018-2022. She co-leads a Canadian team project called the Municipal Net Zero Research Partnership, and the second project on youth and innovation. She has a long history of working on climate and sustainability action on university campuses. And she has published over 100 journal articles, book chapters, and practitioner reports. So this is a very brief introduction. Of course, her achievements are need maybe at least an hour to discuss, but I think later on she can introduce in details her biography. And please allow me to briefly introduce our school, GSAIS. So this is a graduate school established at Kyoto University in April 2013, offers a 5-year PhD program to students from humanities, social sciences, and natural sciences. Students normally join the school after graduating from a bachelor program, but we also have students who come here after a master program or students who have already some working experience. And before admission, the students have studied a particular field, such as, for example, economics, law, physics, engineering, and so on in their undergraduate or master programs. And after admission at the school, their education and research is based on a certain global issue. So each student has a certain global issue on which they focus in their research. And here they study across disciplines and learn how to apply a transdisciplinary approach to their research. In addition, the students live together in a residential college, which enables communication among students with different cultural backgrounds and fields of study. So, yeah, and this is our program for today. So first, we will have some brief self-introductions by all participants. Then we will hear the presentation by Professor Clarke. And in the last part, we'll have questions and answers, discussion. So, yeah, during this part, I hope we'll have many questions, discuss the issues which are raised today, but also maybe some other issues.